What's up guys, it's Beverly from Down in Creative Studios. Today I'm going to announce the winners for my giveaway. I was giving away 2 sheets of Thibra, which is the material I've been using to create my goddess costume. So Thibra is a thermoplastic, kind of similar to Warbla or Terraflex or Wonderflex or any of those other thermoplastics. But there are some differences to Thibra. The first difference is that it's really great with details. It's really better for picking up details than it is for covering large pieces of EVA foam or like a large area. So for this particular project, I've been using press molds to create all of these little details. Press molds are things like this. They're just silicone. This is actually a cake decorating silicone mold that I bought online on Amazon, and I'll put links to all of this stuff in the video description below so you guys can go check out these on your own. All of these awesome feathers, I just heat up the Thibra, press it into the mold, let it cool for just a few seconds, and then I can pull it out, and it picks up all that awesome detail. Here's something you can see a little bit more up close. These are all feathers that I've created with the press molds. Here's the underside. So if you heat up Thibra, it sticks really well to itself. I mean, almost too well. So you can't really take it apart once you have pressed it together, which can be an awesome thing. It can also be something you don't really want to have happen. So experiment with this material. It's awesome. I love it. Couple of tips with working with Thibra. The activation temperature is a little bit lower than Warbla. So if you're used to working with Warbla, just know that you don't need quite as much heat for the Thibra to heat up so you can start using it. The other thing is that it will pick up any surface. That's an awesome thing about it. Let me show you one other thing. This was a press mold that I made with a different kind of silicone molding material. It's called mold putty, and I posted about this recently. Get it really close. So that's awesome. Warbla doesn't do that. You have to fill it in with some kind of filler and then sand it down. So for tiny little details, Thibra is perfect. Before you paint it, you're going to want to wash the surface off with a little bit of soap and water. All right, well, without further ado, here are the winners for my giveaway. The first winner is Amy. Congratulations, Amy. And the second winner is Billy. Congratulations, Billy. All right, you guys are on your way. The next step for you is to get in touch with me. I need to have your info so I can get this awesome Thibra out to you. Thank you so much for entering my contest. Please subscribe to get more tutorials and check out my Facebook page and find me on Instagram. Drop me a line and say hello. If you're working with Thibra and you're making some kind of cool project, or if you have a tip to share with me, I love that. So please come find me, say hi. Thank you so much. See you guys next time.